Everybody, welcome to our channel Learn Cooking. I'm ready today. I'm going to prepare potato chips with the flavor of tomato sauce. I can prepare chips at home with tomato sauce flavor. It's a very easy way to prepare it. I have a potato, a good kind of potato, and I have tomato puree. With this tool of chops, I cut the potato, I peel it and wash it well, then I cut it into different shapes like this. You can make different shapes of chips. After I finish, I wash them well with water. Then I put tablespoon of tomato puree. I put it in the fridge for 1 hour until it has the taste of the tomato puree. After 1 hour, I put the oil on the fire. When the oil becomes hot, I start to put the slices of chips. One by one. As you can see, I put the slices of chip one by one and leave it until it has a golden brown color. I take care of them. When it has a golden color, I get out from the oil. I put the potato in tissue. It's ready now, and I get out from the oil now. I get out them from the oil. I put them in a kitchen tissue. I finish all the amount of chips. Now the chips is ready. It's very easy and delicious way to prepare the chips. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, activate the bell icon, support me with your opinion. It's a very easy way to prepare this kind of chips at home. You can find a lot of kinds of food at home in the channel. If you want any kind of food or any kind of recipe, write in the comment and I will cook it for you. Thanks for your watching and following me.